Hi, my name is Nicole, and I am an English teacher at the Learning Community Center of South Omaha, and this is Rosario.
Hi, my name is Rosario Alvarez, and I am a student at LCC. I've been last class of computer. Yes.
And she's been doing fantastic. So today she's going to share her screen and she is going to teach us how to use the Zoom controls.
Okay. Uh, First of all, I'm going to share my screen now. Hi, my name is Rosario, and I am a student of Learning Community Center. Okay, I was in computer class with Nicole,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna show you how you can unmute and mute when you are on Zoom. First of all, you have to use with your mouse or with your mouse on the computer.
Yeah.
And here's on when
Oh, we can't hear you because you're muted.
and unmute like that. When you guys want to Nicole or people on the class can see you, you can if you don't want to they can see you, you can put like this and start video right here and like this so they can see
Great.
see you. If you wanna see how many participants are, you can do this and you can put participant and here you can see how many people are, and if you wanna send any message you have to put here in chat, and you can send message to one people or for everyone like that. Así.
That's fantastic. Can you explain how to raise your hand?
Uh-huh. To raise the hand, just put on chat and you can see all people here, and on top when they say raise your hand, just click on that. ¿Y es todo? Así.
Yeah, that was great.
And thank you for everything. And I hope you, I hope you help this to
To
let me see.
navigate to navigate Zoom.
To navigate Zoom. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rosario. So, yes, if you guys have questions about Zoom, call me and I'll give you Rosario's number and she can help you.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rosario.
Adiós. Bye.
Bye, Mateo.
Mateo.